This is your warning to never compliment a pregnant lady. Because I was at the doctor's office the other day, but right as I arrived in the waiting room, all of the seats were taken except for this one next to this lady who looked really pregnant. So I asked her if anyone was sitting in it and she said no, so I sat down. But this led to her making small talk with me and she complimented my outfit, so I wanted to give her a compliment back. And since she was very pregnant looking, I said, thanks. You make pregnancy look easy with how much energy you've got. But right when I said that, her face dropped and she went, I'm not pregnant. So I immediately turned red and I'm like, yeah, of course you're not. I don't know what I was thinking. But as I'm rambling, trying to apologize, she goes, I'm just kidding. I love telling people I'm not pregnant when they bring it up just to see their reaction. That's not cool. I'm pretty sure she almost made me go into labor.